Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to select all in Propwire. So Propwire is a free, absolutely useful tool for mortgage brokers, real estate agents, contractors, or even cash buyers as well. But with Propwire, go ahead and sign up for a free account. And then once you actually go ahead and log in, this is what Propwire is going to look like. Now stick around until the end, guys. This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. Let's go ahead and input some mock leads here, or mock filters. So I've already inserted a city. For the lead type, we're just going to do cash buyers. For property types, we're going to set it to single family homes. For the price, we're going to set this to 500K. For bed and baths, we're going to do a 3 and 2 combination. And as you can see, we have around 33,584 results that fit this criteria. Now, in order to select all of these leads that you see here, the way to do this is that you're actually going to go ahead and select this box. And as you can see, you've selected 100 leads here. So you can only select about 100 leads at a time. So the way I do it is I actually go ahead and select this box. But with that though, if you don't want to go ahead and click on this arrow, you could actually click on this drop down menu and then select the max. So even though I have 33,000 search results that fit this criteria, you can select the max of 10,000 leads and then click on this icon here. And then you can go ahead and export this list. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and select all on Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.